This video is a collection of moments of the natural disaster of the blizzard raging in the United States recorded by cameras. It caused millions of people to take shelter in a state of high alert due to the blizzard raging in the United States. And a snowstorm in the U.S. has killed at least 41 people, caused traffic chaos across the U.S., and really threatens the lives of people on the road. Snowstorms often increase the risk of traffic accidents due to slippery roads and reduced visibility. According to reports from the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, about 235 people died and more than 800 were injured in traffic accidents related to snowstorms.
Buenos días, familia, desde Milán.
A resident recorded the scene of a car losing control and drifting freely because of the slippery road. Therefore, authorities advise people not to go out during a snowstorm. If you find this scene thrilling, please leave the number 1 or otherwise 0 in the comments section. Snowstorms also cause major economic losses due to delays in production, trade and services. Economic losses due to the snowstorm are estimated to have reached tens of millions of dollars due to flight cancellations. More than 3,300 domestic and international flights were cancelled, and more than 11,000 flights were delayed during this snowstorm. Snowstorms often damage electrical wiring, causing prolonged power outages and traffic disruptions due to trees falling on roads and blocking roads. Severe snowstorms caused power outages that lasted for several days, reducing people's access to essential services such as doctors, medicine, food and clean water.
È potato.
Tico, go in today.
Traffic accidents caused by snowstorms lead to huge losses in the economy. It causes highways, roads and railways to become congested, thus, the transportation of goods is delayed or difficult, affecting the supply chain and business. Life-threatening cold temperatures combined with dangerous wind chills will endanger stranded pedestrians, outdoor workers, livestock and pets, the National Weather Service warned. Home. The best advice for people is to stay at home when experiencing this situation. The American snowstorm left about 14,000 households without power in the area. Tens of thousands of people have been isolated in their own homes due to being unable to move. Shortages of food and necessities have occurred in many places. The video was recorded by a resident in his backyard. Everything seemed frozen because of a snowstorm, and it seemed impossible to recognize anything beyond the pure white color of snow.
Damn it, man, look at that.
When faced with a snowstorm while outdoors in the U.S., it is extremely important to be thoroughly prepared and take preventative measures to ensure the safety of yourself and your family when going out. First of all, it is necessary to monitor the weather forecast to know about blizzard warnings in advance and receive safety tips. Equip a rescue bag in the car with enough drinking water, dry food, warm clothes, flashlight, protective gas spray and heater. You should avoid going out during snowstorms, especially when there are danger warnings or traffic restrictions. If you cannot avoid it, adjust your schedule and reduce your driving speed to ensure safety when traveling in a snowstorm. Always keep a safe distance from other vehicles and follow warning instructions from local governments. When you need to park, choose a safe place to park and not obstruct traffic.
Oh.
And just now is what Big Flood Channel shows you about the panorama of the blizzard natural disaster taking place in America. If you find this video meaningful, don't forget to click the subscribe button to Big Flood Channel so you can watch the channel's next videos every time they are published. Now, click on the suggested video at the end of this video to see similar videos.